All right, so Mr. Scotty is going to swap out our starter relay, starter solenoid, starter relay. Yes, disconnect the battery first so you don't weld yourself to the car. So he's going to swap that out really fast. I'm going to take our carb back over to our shop. Yes, it's windier than hell.
Oh my God, it was like out of nowhere.
It was weird. It was weird. Anyway, so, oh, that's cute. That's actually okay. I'm going to take the new carb after we test fit it yesterday. I'm going to go over, get all of our kickdown stuff, etc., from the old carb onto here. And then we can finalize this and be done with the carb. Waiting on, and we got to clean the valve covers, which I think, Scotty, after you do the relay, come in here with a blade and just clean the
I'll get that all
rail.
taken care of, yep.
It's not too bad. And then getting the gaskets out of the valve covers themselves, I'm just going to put them in the hot tank and let them bathe.
I'll take care of that.
Well, no, because we're gonna repaint them.
Oh, we're repainting them?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, we talked about it last night. I told him I'd kiss him with some paint.
Gotcha.
Because it needs a little cleanup. A little sprucey cleanup, but everything else in here is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Belts. We were discussing. He knows he has a squeak. That belt's got more crack than Roseanne Barr in the shower. Is that funny, Scotty? You like that? That was a good one, huh? So, he's had belt squeak issues. Belts are cheap.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to retension and fight these old belts that are deteriorating, we're just going to order you 2 belts. It'll be actually cheaper than trying to fight these. So we got that going. Carb, relay on it. Oh, that's so much better. All right, so I've had one edge of Luciano's valve covers in the bath. Look at how nice and tidy and clean these are getting. We're gonna flip them babies around. Get in there. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so much better already. Do this a few times. It also frees up that old crusty, nasty gaskets on the back side. And then we'll get Scotty on that. Of course, once these are clean and nice. That's a little warm. Now this is distilled water, Purple Power, and Simple Green. Kind of mix them all together, and we thought from the get-go, we're like, it's either gonna work really good or it's gonna make an explosion. So there it is. So before I turn this back on, and it drives me nuts, we'll switch over here. Here is old carb, new carb. Same carb. I do need to take this right here. The same carb for the most part, but obviously Venturi size is different. I need to take a bracket here and all our stuff for our transmission kickdown. Get that off of here and onto here, which isn't too difficult, really. I will have to drill and mount our kickdown and put this bracket, but that's easy enough. I can drill and tap that super fast. We'll be ready to go. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff on my table right now. Chaos! Chaos. We got race car chaos. We got Mustang chaos. We got other Mustang chaos. We got our buddy's van, which is really cool, actually. Chaos. And, yeah, it's just all chaos.
Here we are back on Luciano's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous Mustang. This thing is so pretty. It really is. Stopped, took my lunch break. So the new solenoid's on. I've just got to finish connecting the wires, put everything back to the battery, get that taken care of. Bobby's working on the carburetor, so we'll get that done. And then I think the next step for this one is going to be the new ignition switch, so that we can get that taken care of. And I don't remember the rest of the list. I'll have to double check the paperwork. But yeah, for the moment, we're jamming along on it. Love the car. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, it's just going to be a short update. I've got things I got to do, and we'll let you go. And here we are. All set. New one's on. There's the old one. And new one. Okay. Just a quick update, let you guys know. And on that one, we'll let you go.
Right. So progress on the new to us carb. There's our heat shield for the choke. It's in where it's supposed to be. Put the air cleaner stud back, and we now have a kickdown bracket on. A little bit of cutty, a little bit of tack weldy, done deal. Right, so everything is back hooked up. Good to go here with our carburetor. We're all set. Gonna get ready to start digging in here, finish up our valve covers. Our leaky valve cover fun time. So they're still in the washer, still doing their thing. And all this nasty, crusty gasket, ugh, needs to go away. Go bye-bye, please. See, there's oil on this side as well, like we talked about. Definitely all has something to do with not putting sealant on these manifold bolts. Nobody ever does their job. Anyway, so that part's done.